Okay, this is part 2. See, I already reviewed this wizard. I already reviewed this wizard. Here's this Murray lawn tractor. Somebody tried to paint. Didn't prime it. Didn't sand it. So that's just horrible. I mean, really. Anyway, so I got this, like I already said in the last video. So anyway, I absolutely no progress on this, as I said in the last video. Let's see. Heck, really close to getting this engine out, I hope. Anyway, so let's go on to a different one. Let's see, which one? Oh yeah, let's go back here. And we'll take a little ride on this 12 horsepower Craftsman 2. I would ride on that one over there, but it has a flat tire on the front right. Let's go for a little ride, huh? How about it? Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, got this little Murray, tractor. Just a little while ago, took the air cleaner off. There it is right there, in case anybody's saying that I'm supposed to have it on. Anyway, good engine, good compression. Well, sort of good, but anyway, so this one has a deck on it, that other one doesn't. Let's see, somebody took the solenoid out of it, thinking that, I don't know what they were thinking. Anyway, yeah, we got this, and it's just tires, not flat, sort of flat, and flat. Not 100%, but enough. Anyway, so I'm going to be talking about this mower too. A little bit. I haven't rebuilt the carburetor yet. It has spark, but I think the timing's off because it won't turn over at all. It'll turn over. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. It won't start for a few seconds when you pour gas or starting fluid into the carburetor, or even in the spark plug hole, reckoning that it has good spark and compression. So I don't know. Anyway, so that's this one. So okay, let's see what we want to do next. I'm gonna go show you my little lawn boy. I don't know what it is. It has a lawn boy style, but you know, I don't know. okay. We look at this one. It hadn't been priming, but I think I pulled this carburetor off of one that was, oh man, woo, man, but whenever you get it started, it runs like hell. You can't stop it. And motherfucker has great sparks on every take off the fucking spark plug wire, then can't, and it still goes whenever it's just like that. Even sometimes when it's like that, but you gotta like pull it away. Like, let's see what we can do. Anyway, so that's that, and I think we're up to 7 minutes and 51 seconds, so we're 50, 54, 55, 56, anyway, so, anyway, it's just kind of advertising this. I do not think anybody wants it, but if anybody wants it, put it in comment or send me a personal mail on YouTube. If you pay the mail, I'll send it right to you. I don't know, it needs this new front thing, and this top is rusted to hell, but I mean, see, I'm giving it away. I really don't have any use for it. Let's see what we get. Still has the customer responsibility sticker on it. Anyway, it's another piece broke off. So, anyway, so I went and this Craftsman had this hood on it, except instead of this front plastic piece here, it had that plastic piece on it. So I swapped that plastic piece off of this one, put it on this one, on the rust-free, the almost rust-free roof. So, and then just put all the junk on one and put the good stuff on one. The junk on one and put the good stuff on one. So, anyway, I think there's much else. I don't think. Look, there's a few more seconds, so, well, I'll go check if this lawn boy over here has gas, and I'll start her up for you. Let you watch her smoke and choke. See what we can do over here. 10 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Gas is in there. Amazingly, I don't know how it got in there. Anyway. Neutral. Let's see if she... Will she run or will she not? Rate. Pause. And then go. Ah, fucking son of a bitch. In the meantime, let's see our dogs over here. Aggie, Slim, Velvet, Felix. Felix! Aggie, you wanna go to the farm? You wanna go to the farm? You wanna go to the farm? Go over there. Alright, let's see if you'll go in the bath. Yeah, maybe. No, she needs a little neutral time. Needs a little choke time. Hold on. There she is. Woo, man, there's a lot of smoke. Anyway, there she is. Fucking take the spark plug wire off. Anyway, so there's that. I just had to, well, I had a little more time left. Anyway, whew, looks like there's been a fire, man. Things. It's exactly like the Bastrop fire over here in LaGrange. So, well, that concludes the TV. I mean, concludes all this. There's a TV. If I want a TV, it's been sitting out there for 3 years now, and it's never leaving. Hoarders. You ever want any crazy neighbors? Pick this one. Her name's Elizabeth. Something, I don't know. Anyway, she goes crazy. She screams, cusses, acts like an idiot. I don't know why. Anyway, so rate, comment, subscribe, and I guess we'll see you next time. Tell me. So anyway, okay, one more thing. We're doing the restoration on this. I already have. If you're watching this and not skipping to part 1, 2, 3, and so on of this restoration project of this old standard shift heavy duty mower, if y'all aren't gonna, if y'all are watching this video, damn, shit, I already forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, gonna ask if y'all want one of these. We'll see what we can get on one of these running. Which one you think? Do we want to get that one over there, that Murray over there going, or this one going first? That one's not as much work. This one, oh man, I already forgot this one. I already forgot to say. About to turn off the camera, and anyway, so the steering's locked up on this one. Isn't that just my luck? I know I'm hand turning it, but I know it won't go because I use vice grips all the time. Oh yeah, forgot to show you my little rig here. I took some, God damn. If somebody has any ideas on getting, I'm just nigger rigging this right now. It's there's Just got that little, because there's a little strap under there that holds the steering wheel on the top so that it doesn't strip out that gear down there, because the ratio ain't good enough. I had to put that thing there because it's, oh yeah, here's that little panel to that thing, to that Wizard. So anyway, oh yeah, one question to all of y'all for staying 15, 16 minutes, is the, to engage this, the clutch on this deck. I mean, I know it's rusted out to hell and everything, but I want to get one more use at it. Literally just mow one lawn with that deck until I get another one, which I have another one, which I'll show you how to reinstall, and I'm not very good at reinstalling decks, so I wouldn't really listen too much to what I say about it, because I'm going to take off a million things that aren't even the right things, so before I get the deck off, because I'm not good at that. But anyway, so question to all y'all is, here, it never engages. It does not have an electric PTO, it has a manual. Anyway, oh, shit. Woo! Anyway, see, it's supposed to be engaged. And this belt is as loose as a motherfucker. I don't know if y'all can see that. Anyway. Hold on 1 second. I'm sorry if this isn't in the right size screen. I'm just like... Okay, here's this clutch. The idler pulley. Try to get it. Okay, I hope you can see this. I'm sorry if you can't. I'm gonna try to take it without knocking down the camera. I'm gonna try to take it. Let's see. There, I undid it. Okay, now this is when it's supposed to start engaging. Okay. It's supposed to be engaged. But as you can see, I hope that belt never moved. One more time, okay? So I got you a view of the belt. I don't know if you can see over there that far belt, but you can see the sun above it. Watch that belt. It does not get any tighter. Okay, now it's gonna get small. It should get loose. All it did was drop the deck a little bit. Up, meaning it's engaged. Nothing happens. So anyway, you can see there's a lot of, see that slack in there. As you see right here, it is engaged. See that it says engage right there and disengage. Anyway, so yeah, that's my question to y'all. Sorry this took so long. Anyway, okay. See you later. CLG Cooks. See you later. Bye.